Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Razer Hammerhead to PC. Let's go. There are many versions of Razer Hammerhead and they all have Bluetooth support. If your computer has Bluetooth support, then open your computer settings, devices, Bluetooth. Add Bluetooth or other device. Turn on the parent mode on your Razer Hammerhead. Select your Razer Hammerhead. If your computer does not have Bluetooth support, then you will need a Bluetooth adapter. That's it. Now you know how to connect Razer Hammerhead to PC. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.